How to fix iPhone reminders not working. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process of how to fix this issue. This is very easy and simple if you've watched this video until the very end and you follow along with me so you don't miss any step, and you try every method that I'm showing you here. So please try every method. If the method 1 is not working, please try the method number 2. Now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first method is you need to check if the alert tone for reminders. So go to settings, scroll down a little bit and go to sounds, and right here we have reminder alerts. Right here, reminder alerts. And right here you can choose the alert tones in the reminder alerts. Method number 2 is to check notification settings in the reminder app. So what you need to do is to open settings, and here you need to choose notifications. Here you need to scroll down until you see reminders right here. Tap on reminders. Here make sure allow notification is enabled. Make sure allow notifications is enabled, and here you need to choose a sound. Please choose a sound. So make sure here you have set an alert tone for your reminders from here for sounds. All right, and now method number 3. You should guys to restore your phone, because in every update there's a bug, there's something there is inflicting with whatever bug. So what I'm saying is you should really try to restore your phone, because this is will help probably will help to fix this problem. So what you need to do if you have iPhone like 4 years old iPhone, like you should press and hold either the volume button and the side button until the power off slider appears, and after just drag the slider. That's just really easy. Look what I'm doing, just hold and then just slide the power. So that's it. Now another thing that you need to do is method number 4, which is to delete reminders app widget. Maybe you have a reminder widget on your wall or your screen, and here you need to long press on the screen and now tap on the plus icon, and from here search for reminders. Yeah, and you just need to remove the widget that you have, the reminder widget. That's what you need to do to remove the reminder widget. So let's say you have this one, and yeah, just tap on it and hold it, and now just tap on remove widget. Another method you can try that's really useful is to turn off reminders from iCloud. So go to settings, and here go to your profile, and here what you need to do is to go to iCloud, and from here you need to scroll down till you see reminders, and just turn off reminders, and then tap on delete from my phone, and then after a few minutes just turn back reminders on. Another method, guys, is to reset all the settings. Okay, this is really powerful. You know, you can mess up something, you can by mistake choose something, and then in the future will not work properly, your reminder. So yeah, resetting is always good. If you have some personal information, just update, uh, just make a backup on your phone. Now what you need to do to reset is just to go to settings and then to tap on general, and here you need to go down below until you see transfer or reset. Tap on reset and then tap on reset again, and here you need to tab or choose this option, reset all settings. Now tap on reset all settings, and you'll need to enter a passcode or a user fingerprint, whatever. And yeah guys, so that's it. you reset all your settings. I hope this method worked, because I had this problem as well. But I fixed my phone with just resetting all my settings, because I try a lot of things. I look in the settings, try a lot of features on iPhone, and I just messed up probably something. That's why I reset it all the settings. Now guys, that's the end of the video. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos.